Shalom Saints, Pastor Gary here. As I look out into the night sky and see the beautiful stars and the moon, I'm reminded of the promises that were given to our father, who we know as, or refer to as the father of faith, Abraham. And to him was given the promised seed, or the promise of the promised seed. And I just want to encourage you today, folks, to know what it is to trust in Yahuwah. We taught a series called the Hebrew versus Greek mindset, and we have literally been Greeked out with Greek thinking. So it is Greek thinking to have faith, but it's Hebraic thinking to have trust. In this brief message, I go into distinguishing the difference between the two and why we as Hebrews are called to have trust in Yahuwah. Enjoy your Shabbat day. Let's get straight into the message. Shalom.
And their journey, the patriarchs and matriarchs, becomes your journey. And you will see they're just human people like you and I. And then you begin to realize, wait a minute, if they could do it by faith, by trust, and I will deal with that one, we don't walk by faith, we walk by trust. You have faith in a brand new car you've never ever driven. You've never ever driven it. You have faith it will go. And how many of you have driven down the motorway seeing a brand new Range Rover broken down on the side of the road? Mm-hmm. Brand new, but your car you've had 5-6 years, would love to change it, but you're still going, praise God. Brand new Range Rover Jaguar broken down already, fresh out the shop. You have faith in something you have no experience in, but something you have experience in, you have trust. You know your car, you know this thing, you have trust in it. So there's no experience, one, you have experience. Father wants us to walk by trust, not by faith. Faith was a Greek concept introduced. The biblical was emunah. The word is emunah in Hebrew, which means trust, rock solid. I know this ground will hold me because I've walked on it, I build up trust with it because I know it won't buckle and fall. So we're meant to have trust. Father wants you to trust him. That's a relationship. Faith doesn't require a relationship, it's required blind faith. No. Eyes wide open, trusting him. And that's what Father wants to walk with you and take you through some highs, some lows, some mountains, some valleys, so you build up trust. That he's always with you, never failed you, even in the darkest of times. I know he's there. How do you know he's there? I know he's there. Because we've been through this before and he never failed me then. That's trust.